Hi, I'm Kirk Thorne with Roseville Buick GMC, and today we'll take a look at how to connect wireless Android Auto to your brand new Buick vehicle. To get started connecting wireless Android Auto and Bluetooth to your Android device in your new Buick vehicle, all you have to do is go to Phone on your screen, Connect Phone, and in the top left, Add a Phone. Once you do that, we go on your Android device and we click on Connections and Bluetooth, and right on the bottom it will pop up as My Buick. Once we click on that, we do Pair in the vehicle, Pair on the phone. It'll connect, and once that connects, it will give us the option to continue to set up Android Auto. We'll hit Connect on the phone, and boom, just like that, Android Auto connects to your car wirelessly. And that was how to connect your phone to your brand new Buick vehicle. If you have any questions or you need any help, feel free to stop by the dealership or reach us on our website, RosevilleBuickGMC.com, or call in. Thank you very much.